Oh. Gary has been angeled. He's been angeled. Now he knows. Now he knows my pain, my daily. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, amazing. Okay. Now this video was to demonstrate that Angel was eating his food here with no prob. Oh, okay, camera. What's up, world? What's up? And this is the Blue Buffalo brand food. Angel's okay. Zip, zip, hair. Zip, zip, Steve's. What up? Zip, zip, zip. Are people naked up here?
No. They're close. No,
well, then I have no reason to come up here then.
No, Taylor's hair just got done though. Taylor, come here.
Woo!
Woo!
Somebody's cool. In the dark, back in the Angel. She's letting him. That was good.